Paper folding animation in PowerPoint. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to make their presentations more visually engaging and professional. The paper folding or page curl effect helps create smooth, realistic transitions that capture audience attention. To begin this tutorial, open your PowerPoint application and then open your existing presentation file. Wait until all slides load completely to ensure everything runs smoothly. Make sure your presentation already contains multiple slides, as this effect works best when transitioning between slides. Select the first slide and carefully observe the content on it. Ensure that the layout looks like a full page, covering the slide properly without awkward gaps. Next, move to the following slide and slightly adjust its content to simulate the appearance of the next page. This helps create a more realistic paper flow effect. After that, go to the Transitions tab on the top menu. Look for the page curl transition and select it. Once selected, observe the preview effect that appears on your slide to understand how the animation will look. Then, click on Effect Options to customize the animation further. Choose the curl direction, either from the left or the right, depending on your presentation flow. Make sure the direction matches the logical reading or viewing sequence of your slides. After that, adjust the transition duration and keep it smooth and realistic so the animation does not feel too abrupt. If needed, apply the same transition to the next slide to maintain consistency. But avoid making transitions too fast, as this can ruin the paper folding illusion. Now, preview the transitions between slides and observe how the folding effect appears. Make sure the flow looks continuous and natural. Keep your design clean and professional by avoiding too many visual distractions. Use a simple and clear layout so the animation remains the main focus. Finally, preview your presentation in full slideshow mode and watch the complete animation from start to finish.